Here are the first 5 terms of a sequence. Now find the expression for the nth term of this sequence. Right, so we need to do the nth term. Now, it doesn't say whether this is a quadratic sequence or a linear sequence or even a geometric sequence. So I'm just going to find the first level difference. Okay, calculator paper. So the difference between 4 and 11 is 7. The difference between 11 and 22 is 11. The difference between 22 and 37 is 15. The difference between 56 and 37 is 19. Because these are not the same, we know it's not going to be a linear sequence. So let's find the second level difference, and hopefully it should be the same. The difference between 7 and 11 is 4. 11 and 15 is 4. 19 and 15 is 4. And because you get 4 all the time, then we know it's going to be a quadratic sequence. So we know it's going to be in the form of an squared plus bn plus c. Now because that... Okay, so I know because that's 4, my first bit's going to be in front of the n squared is going to be 2n. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to write out the sequence of 2n squared to see if it's similar to our first one that we got. So 1 squared is 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8. 3 squared is 9 times 2 is 18. 4 squared is 4 times 1 is 16 times 2 is 32. Now these two don't look alike. There's nothing like I don't have to add 2, so I'll do something a bit more complicated. So I'm going to write this formula out, but we know a is going to be 2. So it's going to be 2n squared plus bn plus c. And I know this is actually 4, 11, 22, 37. Now I've written it the wrong way around, but I'm going to take the bottom one away from the top one, just to see what I get. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 11 is 2. 22 minus 11 is... No, this is sorry, 3, which is 4. 37 minus 32 is 5. And if I do this, my 2n cancels out, so I'm left with bn plus c. Now the sequence of 2, 3, 4, 5 is just a linear sequence. So we look for our first level difference, which is 1, 1, 1. So I know it's going to be 1x plus 1. So I know b is going to be 1 and c is going to be 1. So my nth term is going to be 2n squared plus 1n plus 1.